flower,
flowers. I can see a red flower. I can see yellow flowers.
tree, trees,
I can see a green tree.
I can see trees.
rock, rocks,
I can see a rock.
I can see rocks.
hill, hills,
I can see a big hill.
lake, lakes,
I can see a big lake.
river, rivers,
I can see a long river.
B. Listen and number. 1,
How many flowers, Mike? One flower. It's red.
2,
How many rocks, Julie? 6. 6 gray rocks.
3,
Wow! What is it? It's a river.
4,
It's a circle. What is it? It's a lake.
5,
It's green. It's a tree. Look, 2 yellow birds.
6,
It's green too. What is it? It's a hill. What can you see?
I can see a flower. What can you see?
I can see flowers.
Hi there, this is our park. There are many things to see and to do here. There are beautiful flowers, red, yellow, and orange. There are big and green trees. There is a big lake and a small hill. Sometimes I can see turtles and frogs in the lake. I also see many ants and spiders in the trees. Children like the park because they can play soccer, jump rope, fly a kite, or ride a bike around.